Hello and welcome to TechBaffle. I'm James Earth and we have launched the brand new TechBaffle merch. So we have this awesome looking blue t-shirt and it's looking very blue indeed. We have the brand new TechBaffle badge. Now these are just badges, you can attach this to your clothing. You know how a badge works. Well, I could do this right now, it is so cold today. We also have this amazing looking watercolour hoodie. This hoodie is also really nice and comfy. It's ideal for using the computer and looking at pictures of cats. We also have an amazing looking TechBaffle snapback hat. This is a brand new one. This hat has also got an adjustment on the back, so it doesn't matter how big or small your head is. Today I'm looking at a watch from Rotary, established in Switzerland 1895. That's a long time ago. Comes with this really nice packaging, nice sort of texture on it, very understated. Literally is a simple black box and nice gold foil letters. That's what you need, a sign of quality, just keep it simple. So let's go ahead and open the box. Here is the watch itself. Now as you can see, no, it's not moving at the moment because this is an automatic watch. So what you need to do, it uses your movement to wind up the watch. So it contains no battery. So that's why it's not physically moving. Rotary, so I've got an international guarantee. Very nice, and a nice little green envelope. And we also have some operating instructions. Rotary was originally established in 1895 in Switzerland's La Chaux-de-Fonds region. I probably said that wrong. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a shake. So this watch is the Rotary Méchanique. It's established in 1895. I do like its classic styling. You've got the Roman numerals, you've got the gold surround. This is actually rose gold plated and it definitely looks really nice. You can see the detail on it, it's really nicely made. This model has a leather strap. I think this is a brown leather strap, it might look black in the camera but it is brown. And you've got a gold clasp as well, it says Rotary. There we go. This is probably the wrong time at the moment. So you can manually wind up the watch by turning this at the side. They sometimes recommend you to wind it a little bit each day if you want it to. And then if you want to set the time, you just pull the crown out and twist it around like so. What is the time? This would be handy if I had a clock or something. You just press the crown back in and we have the right time. Now as this is an automatic movement, the second hand moves in smaller steps than a quartz watch. You can see it now. The selling point of this watch is the amazing skeleton design, so you can see the inner workings of the watch, which is really nice to see because you can see exactly how it works and it's not hiding it away under a plain face. It's just really nice and interesting to look at. It looks like something that would be really noisy, but it's not. So it doesn't make a kind of sound. Hopefully you can see that. If you have selected 4K, you should be able to see the detail on this watch right here. So what I've done, I've zoomed in, so you should be able to see it even closer. You can see the inner workings there, it looks really nice. So let's remove it from the cushion. This is genuine leather and we've got the Rotary logo right there. So on the inside you can see some detail. So this is a mineral glass model, mechanique, stainless steel. This is rose gold plated, and when we look through here we can see the movement in more detail. 21 joules from Miyota Co. in Japan. You can see even more the inner workings right here. So what this does, I can't remember the actual name for this, but say it's just, I'm just going to call it a weight. But what it does, it spins around. So when you're wearing it, say if you're walking around and your arm is moving whilst you're walking, what it's doing is winding up the watch as you go. So that means it doesn't need a battery. There's no battery in this watch whatsoever, so there's no need to replace any batteries at all, which is very nice. Some watches, you can see the inner workings right there, but that's kind of hidden on your wrist. It's nice to have a little reminder that you're wearing a really nice watch. I wear my watch on my right hand. You may do, or you may wear yours on the left hand. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you wear your watch on the left or right hand, or if you have a watch at all. I mean, you can look at your phone, but I don't know. I've always worn a watch. I've never not worn a watch, I don't think. Place it in like that, and then there's another little bit here. It's a little bit fiddly at first thing. Just slide it over there just to stop it from flipping out, and there we have it. The Rotary Méchanique. One thing that drew me to this watch is the fact that it's rose gold plated, and it goes really nicely with the brown strap. I'm not sure how the colours are really appearing on the camera, whether they're appearing more goldy than rose gold, but it is actually rose gold in real life. Blends in very nicely. It just is a nice combination having the brown leather strap and the rose gold plated. And I've got a fingerprint on it already. A really nice display box as well. You could have that open and have it on display if you want to. Although, if you've got want to keep the time, you're gonna have to have one of those automatic watch stands. There's a technical name for it. I don't know what they're actually called, but what they do, they sort of rotate to keep the watch moving. But yeah, if you look at that, you can see the rubies right there, the tiny little rubies there. I just like the intricate detail on it. You really appreciate the inner workings of the watch and how it keeps the time, because sometimes you look at a watch and you kind of take it for granted. You just think, oh, it takes the time, it has hands that move. But I just really appreciate all the tiny little details on that. It's just amazing to see it all in action, really. One thing that I forgot to mention, but this watch is actually really comfortable to wear as well. The leather strap, you can barely notice you're even wearing it. It's one of those straps where it's just really nice and comfortable, and there's lots of different options right here, so you can definitely find the right sort of fit for your arm. There's definitely a variety of different. Maybe it could do with a couple slightly smaller options. That's all I could suggest, but I don't know if my arm is big or small, but it's not one. my arm isn't all the way up to there. I don't like to have my watch moving too much though. This is just nice. It's not too tight, but it's not going all the way up my arm when you're walking around. But yeah, I just really like the look of that watch. So you've got all the tiny little intricate details as well, which you wouldn't expect for a watch of this price. It's just really nice to see. I've turned on my phone light. Just you might be able to see a bit more of the inner workings of the watch. See everything spinning around. So at this time, no pun intended, I can't really give you an honest review at this point. I like the look of it. It looks amazing. It's definitely something that you can show off, and it just is a very unique looking watch. Timekeeping wise, I'll have to keep you updated on that. When you're rotating the watch, you can hear a little because it's winding the watch. So you can hear it a little bit. My microphone might be picking this up more though than it actually does sound, but I quite like it. It's quite a pleasing sound, really. A bit of a backstory as to why I bought this watch. You may think TechBaffle, well, you're probably going to be buying a smartwatch or something. The only thing that puts me off with smartwatches is that Sometimes it's nice just to separate yourself from technology. This is really ironic because I'm a tech review channel, but bear with me. It's sometimes nice just to step back, just enjoy life without having something going beep 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 or something blinking, new message, blah blah blah, new emails. Everything is always high alert. This watch, what it does, it tells the time, and you can just forget technology exists for just a little bit. Appreciate, go outside, just enjoy the great outdoors. Speaking of go outdoors, this does have, I think it's shower resistant. If I've got that wrong, I'll put an annotation. So there we have it. If you're interested in purchasing this watch, I've put links in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding that bell icon for post notifications, because, I mean, you don't want to miss out. And yes, I'm not wearing the watch because I filmed this because my camera is literally flashing, the batteries going beep 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 beep. So I'm filming the outro before. The merch link is in the description, and for all the tech info you need, head over to techbaffle.com.